Unlocking the meaning of make way in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, make way. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these common phrases can really boost your fluency. So, let's get started and explore what make way means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, make way, is used in two main contexts. Firstly, it's a request or command for people to move aside and allow someone or something to pass. For example, make way for the ambulance. Secondly, it can mean to create an opportunity or space for something new. Like, the old building was demolished to make way for a new shopping center. Understanding the history of a phrase often makes it easier to remember. Make way has its roots in nautical terminology, where it was used to describe the action of a ship moving through water. Over time, its use expanded to general situations where movement or progress is involved. Let's see how make way is used in various sentences. Emergencies, please, make way. We need to get through. Progress and change. The company is making way for innovative technologies. Literal and figurative usage. In a crowd, make way is literal, but in a discussion about change, it's more figurative. A common mistake learners make is using make way in contexts unrelated to movement or progress. For example, saying, make way in learning English is incorrect. Instead, use phrases like, make progress, or advance in learning. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, make way. Remember, it's all about movement, progress, and making room for something new. We hope this video helps you use make way confidently in your conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.